In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email subscription form on Beehiiv. Whether you're starting a newsletter or just keen to grow your email list, this process will help you set up a form with ease. To kick things off, head on over to the Beehiiv website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, we want to navigate to a section that's crucial for managing your audience. Click on Subscribers. This is where you can manage the individuals who have opted into your email communications. Now, within the Subscribers tab, look for and select Subscribe Forms. This part of Beehiiv allows you to create and customize forms that new potential subscribers will use when signing up for your emails. You'll want to click on Create New Form. Doing so will open the form editor, where you can start tailoring the look and feel of your subscription form. In the form editor, you'll first want to type in a header and a subtitle. Think about the message you want to convey to your future subscribers. The header should be clear and engaging, while a short, compelling subtitle can further explain the purpose or benefits of signing up. Next, consider the fields you want to include in your form. For starters, you definitely need a field for the email address. Make sure this field is required, as it's the most critical piece of information you'll collect. To add this, look for the option within the editor that allows you to add a field for email, often simply labeled as Add Field. Once that's done, it's time to save your progress. Hit the Save button to ensure your work is not lost. Saving regularly is a good practice anytime you're working on a digital platform. After saving, you'll want to refine your form further. Click on Form to get back into editing mode. You can add additional fields if needed. For example, a first name field can make your communications feel more personal. To do this, again, locate the Add Field button and select First Name for a more customized experience. You might want to ensure the Submission button makes it obvious that users are signing up. Click on Button Text to customize the call to action that appears on your form. Be concise and clear. Something like Subscribe Now works well. If you wish to enhance the visual appeal, Beehiiv provides styling options. Click on Style to access these features, allowing you to make visual adjustments that align with your brand or aesthetic preferences. Lastly, check all the settings one final time to ensure everything aligns with your goals. When you're satisfied, click on Settings to finalize your form configurations. By following these steps, you've now successfully created an email subscription form on Beehiiv. Go ahead and integrate it into your site or share it with potential subscribers to start building that all-important email list. Thanks for watching and happy list building!